Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and as you know, I have been working on three miniature weddings, and what I have here is a holiday card. I bought a whole bunch of these at the Goodwill store, but I selected just this one because I need those gifts, and even though they are Christmas related, I want to use them in my weddings, but I want to use this part, and I want to put some color in here so that they look more like a wedding gift, and I can even use them in white just like that. Not this part because this is a Christmas one. I could use this for Christmas, but for the weddings this is what I want. So I am going to be cutting these, and maybe I'll give one of them a certain color, but I can easily use them just in white. So I am going to cut them out of this, let's see, right here. Going to cut them out of this card. So that they make great wedding gifts. Look at that. They are off the Christmas card. Who would think that these are holiday gifts? Only if you turn it this way. But I will definitely use these for Christmas. So stay tuned because you will see these white ones at the weddings that I am about to bring you. Look at this against the wall, against the gray wall. Look at how they look. Beautiful. So these are now wedding gifts for my wedding creations. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.